Governor of Texas, Rick Perry. And Texas is going to deny health coverage to 1.5 million low-income residents. You heard it here, Richard. We've talked about Rick Perry a lot. He's got a very handsome headshot, but that's besides the point. Clearly, they spent a lot of money on that one. But 1.5
don't mix with Texas.
1.5 million low-income Texans are going to go without health care coverage after lawmakers in the state voted against expanding
Medicaid. I call
Medicaid,
messing with Texas.
Using $100 billion in federal funds offered under President Obama's health care law. This is being sent to Rick Perry, and I think there's really no doubt in my mind that he is not.
This is the dumbest thing I've heard in my life. Like, why would you reject free money?
It's funny. I mean,
like, why would you reject money going to your state to make sure that more of your people are healthy? Like, that doesn't make... It's not like the money's coming out of the state coffers.
Yeah.
The federal government is giving you back your tax dollars you've already paid for people in your state to get better health care. And you decide you're going to...
We're going to say
reject
no.
the money?
I mean, for me, this is kind of a double-edged sword. I mean, I do appreciate the fact that...
He's holding strong to his convictions.
That the conservatives are staying strong to their convictions, because so many times when it's convenient for them, they just say... doesn't apply in this situation, you know.
That sounds like last
week's Maniac, Oklahoma. But at the same time, I mean, for Rick Perry and for their Republican state legislature, if they're trying to gain votes of these low income people who chances are some of them probably aren't voting for the Republican Party, maybe you should do something to help them. That's probably one of the best ways to get elected, is by helping your constituents.
No, because this is the problem. They preach this populist message of, yeah, we're for the people. And that for the people means that we're anti-gay, we're anti-abortion, but we're pro-free trade agreements, pro you not getting health care, pro you not getting Head Start, pro you not getting food stamps.
Absolutely. And, Rick Perry never ceases to amaze me. It's unbelievable. And we've seen some other states, states that tend to lean red or are strong red. Some of them have, taken government aid on Medicaid.
Yeah, including Arizona. Jan Brewer said, "I want this money. I have some rural hospitals that I can take care of some people."
And we gave her a shout out for that and a commendation. But we're seeing a lot of states that still have no.
We're giving a lot of commendation to Republicans this show. Shout out to Jan Brewer. We gave her a shout out. I've also given a shout out earlier in the show to Governor Bob McDonnell.
Mm-hmm.
Because I think when people do good things, no matter if they're Republican or Democrat, you got to applaud them. But Rick Perry, not so much. But Michelle Bachmann, she gets a shout out from us. I'm gonna clap it up. She decided, she made the right decision. She's not gonna get face crushed. She's like, I'm just gonna bow out gracefully. I appreciate that, Michelle. I mean that's an admirable thing, Michelle.
But when you get to the point where you need to bow out gracefully, there's something terrible hiding below the surface.
That might be true, but either way.
But who knows?